I'm Dave Garl. I'm the Newmar Sales Account Manager, and I want to take you around the new 2019 Bay Star. The 2019 Bay Star fuses legendary Newmar build quality with more of what you're looking for from a modern gas coach. Starting in the cockpit area, we have a standard 6-way power adjustable driver's seat and a passenger seat with both a workstation and a footrest. Sound is pumped through 4 JBL speakers with turn-by-turn directions brought to you by an available Rand McNally navigation system. For added visibility, both side and rear view cameras are also part of every package. Here in the living area of the floor plan 3408, this Bay Star displays Eldorado decor and optional vinyl tile flooring. Several floor plan arrangements are available with floor plan 3408, featuring a flex steel hide-a-bed sofa decorated by nailhead trim, a pair of storage ottomans, and a stunning dry bar with a china cabinet. For your entertainment, floor plan 3408 houses a retractable LED TV with a standard Blu-ray player and a Bose Bluetooth soundbar. As you can see, this particular Bay Star is also equipped with an optional overhead mounted TV, and for internet access, 2 in-coach Wi-Fi solutions are available. Here in the galley, we have a spacious solid surface countertop, hosting an octagon mosaic backsplash, recessed range with cover which is new for 2019, and a stainless steel double bowl sink. Look up and you'll see a large Whirlpool convection microwave, while steps away there is a deluxe buffet dinette. Storage isn't a problem thanks to numerous Calypso glazed maple cabinet doors and drawers, while just to the left of the wood paneled refrigerator lies a wood pantry with roomy pull-out drawers. Step on into floor plan 3408's midship master bath and discover a spacious sliding door shower along with both medicine and linen cabinets. Bay Star really ups the ante this year with an expansive master bedroom. This example comes with 2 separate shirt wardrobes at the foot end of the bed, in addition to a full rear wardrobe. 2019 is the first opportunity to select a washer and dryer in the Bay Star models. While some floor plans offer a king bed, every Bay Star gives you a plush pillow top mattress, nightstands on each side of the bed, and an LED TV with a second Blu-ray player. For 2019, Bay Star is available with 10 versatile floor plans ranging from 30 to 36 feet. This particular floor plan, 3408, measures 34 foot in length and includes 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. Bay Star is constructed on a reliable Ford F53 chassis with a 320 horsepower Ford V10 engine. The exterior is covered by our full paint masterpiece finish made possible by BASF and Industrial Finishes. Adding to the overall look are frameless double pane windows. Up above, Bay Star is fitted with a Dometic Weather Pro power side awning, while down below, lit basement storage is protected by storage doors with heavy-duty side hinges. Plus, Bay Star includes everything you need to make your next camping trip a success, like 50 amp service, a 5.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan generator, and even an energy management system. Select floor plans can be optioned with exterior entertainment center. And for those of you who find yourselves surrounded by cold weather from time to time, you'll be happy to know the Bay Star also comes with power adjustable side mirrors and defrost. From all of us here at Newmar, I want to thank you today for coming by and taking a look at the 2019 Bay Star.